to the trade breaker's desk, Elliot Friedman.
Yes, the Toronto Maple Leafs have added defensive depth. Ben Hutton from the Anaheim Ducks. CJ, return?
Sounds like it'll be a 5th-round pick, so the Leafs continue to empty from their draft pick capital.
Well, I'll tell you what, Anaheim was real close. Thanks, guys. Anaheim was real close to ending their 15-year streak of always making a deal on trade deadlines. So that streak is still very much intact for the Anaheim Ducks. We have a thought on Ben Hutton joining the Maple Leafs. Depth move here, obviously.
Well, right, and you talk about the playoffs being so demanded in case demanding, and in case of injury, you want to have a little insurance in terms of your players. So that's what the Leafs acquire here is someone who can contribute and also be that depth that you need in case of any injury down the road.
That's a great point. Kevin, I know he doesn't make many good points, but that was the one he brought up earlier in the show, is that if any injuries happen, they need to have someone that can shore that blue line up. So it's a really good move for them.
Let's get to Kevin Bieksa then. You know, one of the questions going into today was, okay, after a 1, 2,